Okay, it is once again time for the Law on You with the Aries Premier Attorneys, Fellerman and Ciarimboli. It always seems like there's always construction on buildings.
Yeah. Well, I mean, listen.
And on the roads, don't get me started.
The roads, buildings, but they have to be done safely, and there's rules in place to protect people.
And Jason in Hazleton, that's where your question comes in. You wrote, I fell from scaffolding at a construction site because my employer didn't provide proper safety harnesses. They're telling me workers' compensation is my only option. Is that true?
Well, it may be. Really, it depends, and we hate saying that, but it really does depend. So if there were general contractors and subcontractors on this particular job, and it really comes down to who had the responsibility for providing those safety harnesses. Ultimately, if it was your employer that had that ultimate responsibility and not the general contractor or any of the other subs, then workers' comp is going to be what you're entitled to. Now, in this particular situation, if there are other entities or individuals or companies that had a responsibility on that job site for providing safety harnesses, then you could have a third-party case in addition to your workers' comp.
Yeah, well, a lot of people don't know that on a construction site, when you're dealing with height requirements, believe it or not, anything over 6 feet, you have to have a harness on. So just remember that, any of you construction people out there, you should request a harness and be provided a harness. We see a lot of people falling, and believe it or not, people really get hurt just falling 6 feet, let alone we've had people fall off the top of a building.
People could die.
Yeah, they die. So it's really important. Job safety is important. Construction, we do a lot of these cases. We can definitely help. A lot of good experts.
Jason, thank you for sending in that question. And remember, results matter with Fellerman and Ciarimboli. And if you want your questions answered, just visit the websites or give the hotline a call.